Hey guys, what is up? Blayman13 here from PCG and welcome back to another OBS tutorial video. So today we're going to be looking at noise suppression with your microphone. So we're going to do a quick video just to explain how to set up your microphone to eliminate any background noise and to improve the quality of your microphone using noise compression. This will just, if you're like me and say you're gaming in a populated area in your house and you have background noise like a TV running in the background, or you have a noisy fan going, or there's music playing somewhere, and you just want your microphone to pick up your voice, and while you're not speaking, for no background noise to be picked up whatsoever. This is very useful for like me, say, because I am gaming say in my living room here. I have a little corner, and sometimes the kids will be watching TV, or there'll be some noise, the washing machine will be going, and we don't want to pick that up in our videos or live streams. So this will be a quick video to show us how to get this set up, and it will improve the quality of your videos and your live streams and the quality of your microphone. I hope this is useful to some of you. Thanks for watching. Let's get going. So the first thing we want to do is add noise compression. So all you need to do is head straight into your sources on your main scene, which you want edited, and head over to your audio input capture, and then right click that, go straight to filters, and then it comes up this little box. Then you can add audio filters with, you press the little plus button here, and the first one we want to add is noise suppression. Click OK, and then noise suppression level. Then you can tinker about with this. It'll like little sounds like hissing from your microphone, or the sound of your computer running, just little quiet sounds. What you can tinker about with this to find the perfect setup for you. What I found was -20 was your best, and you'll probably notice the difference in the sound already. It gives it a lot more clear sound. So this noise suppression was the first thing we will add, and maybe you can hear the sound now. I'll just go back and check through it to make sure it does sound improved for you guys. And maybe the sound will, the decibels will be different for you, but -20 is the sweet spot that I have found. It works good for me. So next we're going to move on to the noise gate. Now I have added some background noise just so we can run this test and you can see the results, or hear the results, sorry, for yourselves. I'm not sure if you can hear that there, that the TV is going in the background, which is a normal scenario for me. Maybe I'll turn it up a wee bit. We'll have usually the kids will be watching TV, or my partner will be watching TV. There'll be noise somewhere in the house usually. It picks up on the microphone. It makes for very bad audio when you're making videos and live streaming. So what we want to do is back over into your sources, and then audio input capture. You want to right click and head over to filters. And so we have our noise suppression set up, which is at -20 decibels. We want to press the plus button and add the noise gate. Now you can name it yourself. Noise gate's fine. So you have two main options here: is closed threshold and open threshold. Now your closed threshold is the level of noise that the mic will pick up sound when you're not speaking, which is your background sound. But we'll just move this slightly to the right here. So you can see here on your audio input capture that's picking up the background sound. So we need to move this threshold, the closed threshold, change it to wherever it's perfect for you. You might, depending on the volume of what's going on in the background, it'll vary. Very easy, very simple just to modify yourself. So I'll just be quiet here a little bit. So as you can see here, that it appears to already be working, which is great. So it's not picking up any of the background sound that's coming in when I am not speaking through the mic. I will just be quiet here just to prove that. Now the TV's going, there's background noise, and it's not picking up on the microphone. Now you will need to modify this. It will work differently for everybody depending on the level of noise coming in, the quality of your microphone. I like to move the close threshold down a wee bit, about minus 60, and then open threshold is it'll be the level of sound when you're speaking into the mic that it will start recording. So you need to find that sweet spot. You have it too high, it's not going to pick up your voice. You have it too low, it's going to pick up too much, as we'll see here. So you can hear the background sound there. So we want to move that up slightly higher than the close threshold. So maybe minus 40. We're getting zero background sound, and it appears to be picking up my voice quite easily. So, well, that's basically what we're looking for here with the noise gate. You finding your sweet spot that works good for you. You can test it yourself. Go back, check your recordings, make sure it's working perfectly fine for you before you start recording videos or making your live stream. It appears to be working perfectly fine for me here, which is bonus. I see it's still picking up a bit of sound here. Maybe reduce this to 45. Because it depends. If the background noise is louder, it's going to be picked up by your microphone through the open threshold. Just change it about, which works good for you. So that's just a quick tutorial. I hope that made any sense to you guys. I hope it's useful for when you're setting up your OBS and your noise gates and your sound levels. Using noise suppression and then using noise gate is essential for good quality. Thank you for watching, folks. I hope this was useful. Have a good day, have a good week, and I'll see you all in the next one.